we have a question, very Thai thing. He interested to make Prik Nam Pla. So we have chili here, right? And we have garlic that we chop it up, right? Garlic and chili, yeah, and lime. Lime, it gives sour taste a little bit, but we don't really squeeze the whole thing. We like to eat the chunky lime in there, kind of sour, bitter a little bit, you know. See there? Main three things, fresh
Does it
ingredient.
change the flavor if you add the peel?
Yeah, a little bit, but not much. But this is flavor of it. Okay, I'm gonna have you do it so you know. So you make maybe we're gonna make big portion, maybe 3 spoons in there. Yeah, fish sauce. A good quality fish sauce, it give a good flavor to it. Before you buy fish sauce, you might look at the color. It has to be light and expensive, nah? And you may read the ingredient, anchovy fish, at least 60%. Because when the color darker, it's fishier. Sometimes you find 60, 75, 80. That's the most that I see was 80 to 85. More expensive, it tastes better. Yeah. Okay, you see, you mix it like that. You see that? Yes. Right? This could add more fish sauce in it to make it more juicy. It's okay, but we want to make it concentrate. It's a personal like. Also it depends budget on a restaurant too. Some restaurant they make it very watery and use the cheap one, and people can scoop in. Depend. Okay, organic raw sugar. You can do without, but we add just a little bit because this is salty. Just like quarter teaspoon.
I have a question. If you make like a big batch, how long is it good for?
You can keep it like many days, 3 days, 4 days. But one thing to remember: the longer you keep it, this color won't be colorful. It gets darker.
What was this again? Organic brown sugar?
Organic raw sugar.
Raw sugar.
You can use any sugar, just a little bit for the sweet, but not too sweet. You know what I mean? And every restaurant they add MSG. You can do without MSG. Personal like I have MSG, that's optional. So Chinese food also a lot. If you read the ingredient and cheap everything, they have slightly monosodium glutamate. The doctor said you can have it, but not more than teaspoon a day. If you add too much, it's dangerous. It's like in Thailand, it's come from cassava roots. Okay, so you have garlic, lemon or lime, right? Chili, fish sauce, and
You cannot eat this alone, right?
you can. I put on top of rice too. I like it when jasmine rice very hot. I put on top, fry egg or boil egg together. It's really good. We eat it alone, for dipping. Sometimes I dip some like seafood in it. But this one, if you smash the chili, but no lime, chili, smash the chili and garlic and put fish sauce and squeeze the lime juice in it, you get we call it seafood. Nam jim seafood, dipping when you barbecue prawn. Yeah, like this is going to be a light version. That's it. And then this one you can just scoop on top of the fried egg. See, like that. If you want it, if it's too salty for you when you taste at home, depend which fish sauce brand you have. You can do water, but not too much, just a little bit. Ingredient in here: lime, garlic, chili, bird's eye chili. You can use bird's eye chili or Thai chili. Fish sauce and sugar a little bit. But we didn't add any MSG. MSG is umami flavor. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna have you just a little bit on your finger and toss and taste it. But not too much, salty. Salty, nah?
Not spicy, salty.
I like to smash it. Yeah.
I like that.
We put on top of the rice. When it sounds kind of weird to you, but when you put on eggs on rice, it will be good. I didn't make it very thick. I make it light version. Okay, you remember that? Right, and this is the MSG. Not too much, salty. And now when you do, this is every restaurant does. I didn't add a lot. You see that?
Yeah.
Only a little bit.
That's sugar?
No, MSG, monosodium glutamate. Now taste different. It's more yummy than before. You see the difference?
Yeah.
That's what the restaurant does, and it's why people like it so much. If you don't cook yourself, you see the difference. Yeah.
Are you sure you want to try more?
well, you born only once, yeah? Life with adventure, yeah?
It's a lot better.
A lot better. You see that? I didn't add a lot, only a little bit. You see the difference? That's, it's from cassava root. You know cassava? And then you try that first. If you think, oh, I need more spicy and then more salty, then you do this kind. You can also do what you're right, but not your noodle now because you have those already. A different flavor. So you can put like on top. Like me, I like on top of the egg a lot and mix it right. But however you like, or you scared of spicy, take the juice all around the rice and then move it. Okay?
Okay.
Enjoy! And you can also try because that one not spicy, you can add more of this, yeah?
Okay, yeah.